Today I'm going to talk about 5 foods that can help to protect your vision. For most people, vision is one of the most precious of our senses. If you were to rate the senses of smell, touch, taste, vision, and hearing, I think vision would be pretty high up in most people's list. I know it's number 1 for me. I love to be able to see what it is that I'm doing, and it would really be distressing to me if I couldn't see it. So I put vision as one of my highest priority senses.
Meet Dr. William Li, a leading physician, scientist, and author focused on enhancing health worldwide. As the founder of the Angiogenesis Foundation, Dr. Li has spearheaded research that addresses over 70 diseases, including those causing blindness. He frequently appears on health shows and at conferences, offering practical insights for living a healthier, longer life. In this video, Dr. Li will reveal the 5 superfoods that protect the eyes and reduce vision loss. These foods support eye health while benefiting other parts of your body, like the brain and immune system. But that's not all. We'll also share healthy recipes, showing you easy ways to include these superfoods in your diet. So stay tuned until the end so you don't miss any important details. Before we begin, did you know that over 2.2 billion people worldwide have some form of vision impairment? Our eyes are incredible, sensitive organs that help us connect to the world. However, with more screen time, aging, and exposure to harsh light, vision loss is becoming increasingly common today. But here's the good news. Some nutrient-rich foods can naturally protect our eyes. By including them in our diets, we can reduce the risk of vision loss and keep our eyes sharp and healthy as we age. Now, let's dive in and explore the 5 superfoods that can help protect your vision. The first food on Dr. William Li's list of eye-protecting superfoods is eggs. Imagine starting your day with food that fuels your body and protects your vision. Eggs do exactly that. In addition to being one of the few foods that contain all 9 essential amino acids, eggs are packed with key nutrients and antioxidants that support eye health.
Contain lutein and zeaxanthin. These are 2 of the bioactives that are found in the supplement AREDS2. They can actually help prevent progression of vision loss from macular degeneration as we're aging.
As Dr. Li rightly mentioned, eggs are a powerhouse for keeping your eyes sharp and resilient against aging. But what makes eggs such a game changer for your vision? You see, eggs are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 carotenoids found in the yolk that naturally accumulate in the retina. These compounds act like natural sunglasses, absorbing harmful blue light before it reaches the sensitive parts of your eyes. According to a study by the National Institute of Health, it was discovered that lutein and zeaxanthin help filter blue light, a major contributor to eye strain and potential long-term vision damage. This is important for reducing the risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration, which is the leading cause of vision loss in people over 50. Additionally, the high levels of vitamin A in eggs are vital for maintaining a clear cornea, or the eye's surface, and supporting overall night vision. But the benefits don't end there. Eggs are also packed with high-quality protein and healthy fats, which help stabilize blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full longer, making them the perfect breakfast choice. Ready to add eggs to your daily routine? Then this Mediterranean boiled egg bowl recipe is a must-try. To prepare, start by boiling 2 eggs for 10 minutes for a fully hard-boiled egg. Cool in ice water, peel, and set aside. In a bowl, mix a handful of baby spinach or arugula, diced cucumber, halved cherry tomatoes, a tablespoon of Kalamata olives, and a sprinkle of crumbled feta cheese. For the dressing, whisk a tablespoon of olive oil, a squeeze of lemon juice, a pinch of salt and pepper, and a bit of dried oregano. Slice the eggs, place them on top of the veggies, and drizzle with the dressing. And your yummy Mediterranean boiled egg bowl is ready to be enjoyed. This delicious dish is packed with vision-boosting nutrients and keeps you full and energized longer. Now, let's move to the next vision-saving superfood on Dr. William Li's list. But before we continue, please note that this content is for informational purposes only and is not intended to replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult with a qualified healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet or your daily routine.
Right? And sweet potato contains vitamin A, retinol, and this is actually also important for retinal health. And just 1 cup of sweet potato contains, guess what? 1,920 micrograms of retinol activity, which is 213% of what you need for the daily recommended value. So basically, just 1 cup of cooked sweet potato gives you way more than you need to be able to get good, healthy vitamin A, which is good for your eyesight.
When you think of foods that can elevate your health, sweet potatoes are little packages of nutrition that are not only versatile and delicious, but also an eye-saving superfood. Their rich orange color comes from beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that your body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for keeping your cornea clear and sharp, while also reducing the risk of night blindness and dry eyes. According to research, beta-carotene, often found in sweet potatoes, is associated with a decreased risk of age-related macular degeneration in individuals with high dietary intake of this antioxidant. But there's even more to sweet potatoes than just beta-carotene. These root vegetables are also packed with vitamins C and E, which are 2 key nutrients that help protect your eye cells from damage caused by free radicals. Together, these nutrients work to preserve your eyesight, keeping it strong as you age. And the best part is that you can easily turn these amazing benefits into a delicious breakfast. Consider trying this simple yet nutritious sweet potato and avocado breakfast delight. Begin by roasting a medium-sized sweet potato for about 30 minutes until tender and caramelized. Once done, slice it open and scoop out a little from the center. Fill the hollow with creamy mashed avocado, seasoned with salt, pepper, and a sprinkle of chili flakes. The warm sweetness of the potato pairs perfectly with the cool, creamy avocado, creating a satisfying meal loaded with nutrients to support your vision. This easy-to-make breakfast sets you up for a vibrant, healthy day, benefiting both your eyes and your body. Another eye-boasting superfood Dr. William Li recommends is cantaloupe. But before we proceed, if you're looking to dive deeper into how lifestyle and diet can protect your eye health and boost your overall well-being, be sure to subscribe to the Quick Time newsletter linked below. Each week, we share expert-backed tips, delicious recipes, and actionable steps to help you live longer and feel your best, delivered right to your inbox.
1 cup of cut up cantaloupe has about 30% of your daily value for retinol, all right, retinoic acid, vitamin A.
If there's one food that delivers both hydration and eye protective nutrients, it's cantaloupe. This orange melon is rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, an essential nutrient for the retina. Vitamin A also supports low light and color vision, making it super important for overall eye health. Cantaloupe is also packed with vitamin C, another powerful antioxidant that protects the eyes from inflammation and oxidative stress. Together, vitamin C and beta-carotene help shield eye cells from harmful UV rays and blue light exposure, which we encounter daily from screens and sunlight. According to the American Academy of Ophthalmology, diets high in vitamin C can slow the progression of cataracts by up to 33%, preserving clear vision over time. So why not start your day with a cantaloupe smoothie that's as nourishing as it is refreshing? To make a cantaloupe and spinach vision-boosting smoothie, blend fresh cantaloupe cubes with a handful of spinach. Add a squeeze of lemon for an extra boost of vitamin C, and throw in a few ice cubes to keep it cool. The result is a bright, revitalizing smoothie that combines cantaloupe's vision-boosting beta-carotene with spinach's lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 more powerful eye-saving antioxidants. With every sip, you're treating your eyes to a delicious mix of nutrients that will help keep them resilient for years to come. Moving on, Dr. Li will be exposing us to another food that helps to preserve our eyes, ensuring clear vision even in old age. Collard greens. Unlike eggs and sweet potatoes, collard greens might not be the first food you think of, but they're just as powerful when it comes to protecting your eyes. Listen closely to what Dr. Li has to say about these leafy wonders.
Collard greens also have a lot of vitamin A. In fact, 1 cup of cooked collard greens has 80% of your daily value, So it's a great source, plenty in collard greens. Now,
loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, collard greens help absorb harmful blue light, keeping the eye safe against macular degeneration. In fact, a comprehensive study showed that diets rich in lutein and zeaxanthin significantly reduce the risk of age-related eye diseases, keeping vision clearer for longer. Here's the best part. Collard greens are also a fantastic source of vitamin C and beta-carotene, both of which ensure eye health by preventing oxidative stress. According to research, people who regularly consume veggies like collard greens have a lower risk of developing cataracts. Vitamin C particularly helps to maintain the health of blood vessels in the eyes, reducing the chances of retina damage over time. Of course, you'll want to bring these eye-boosting greens into your kitchen with a delicious recipe like collard greens breakfast wrap. Imagine starting your day with a nourishing meal that's as tasty as it is good for your eyes. Start by chopping collard greens, bell peppers, and onions. Next, heat some extra virgin olive oil in a pan over medium heat, add the veggies, and saute for a few minutes. Whisk 2 eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper, then pour the eggs into the pan with the veggies. Cook until the eggs are fluffy. Next, place the mixture in a warm whole wheat tortilla, wrap it up, and you've got a delicious, eye-boosting breakfast to fuel your day. This wrap isn't just packed with flavor, it's a meal that helps protect your eyesight with every bite. With collard greens as the star ingredient, you're taking a proactive step toward long-term eye health. The 5th food is a golden favorite that offers both sweetness and an unexpected boost for eye health: corn. Let's find out why.
Well, corn actually contains lutein and zeaxanthin, the same thing that's important for protecting your vision from vision loss from macular degeneration. And yellow corn has the highest amount of lutein and zeaxanthin. Blue corn has the least, all right? So get yellow corn.
Corn may seem like a simple side dish, but don't let its humble appearance fool you. This golden vegetable is loaded with eye-protecting nutrients. As Dr. William Li rightly mentioned, one of corn's secret weapons is zeaxanthin, a powerful compound known to support eye health by filtering out harmful light that can damage the retina over time. In fact, studies have shown that diets rich in zeaxanthin can reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration by up to 20%, thereby offering your eyes a strong defense against vision loss. Corn also contains lutein, another antioxidant that works in pairs with zeaxanthin to keep the central part of the retina strong and healthy. This dynamic duo is particularly effective at protecting against cataracts and other degenerative eye conditions. Here's the best part. You can turn this golden veggie into a flavorful, vision-protecting breakfast or lunch recipe like corn and veggie scramble. Start by heating 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan. Season and saute. Fresh corn kernels with diced bell peppers, tomatoes, and spinach until the veggies are tender and vibrant. Crack a couple of eggs into the pan and season with a pinch of salt, pepper, and a sprinkle of paprika or chili flakes for a little kick. Stir everything until the eggs are soft and fluffy. Add the sautéed veggies to the pan and mix everything. This savory scramble combines the eye-supporting power of corn and egg with the lutein-rich benefits of spinach, creating a perfect breakfast to start your day. By enjoying this meal, you're not only fueling your morning, but also giving your eyes a boost that helps preserve your vision for the long term. No doubt, taking care of your vision starts with what's on your plate. By adding these superfoods to your daily meals, you're actively supporting eye health and reducing the risk of vision loss over time. Remember, it's never too early to protect your eyes, and every small step counts. So start incorporating these foods into your routine and give your vision the boost it deserves. If you found this video helpful, then you might also enjoy this one on the 5 breakfasts that protect eyes and reduce vision loss by Dr. Michael Greger. Click on the video showing on your screen right now to discover these delicious vision-boosting breakfast options. See you there?